Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamran and you're watching my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I will give you a demonstration about a Comet chart in Tableau. Comet chart basically used for a comparison between two values, whether it is current year sale versus previous year sales, or it could be your sales versus your budget. So we'll see quickly how to do it in Tableau. Then next you will see my computer screen. Please do not forget to subscribe or like my channel. And if you have any comment, you can write me in the comment section below. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, so this is my computer screen. So let's begin with the today's tutorial. After the end of this tutorial, you will able to do a chart like this. It is basically a Comet chart and it's a year to year comparison where I'm showing you the current year sales versus the previous year sales. Which year we have the highest sale shows the thicker sign and the lesser sales shows the thinner sign. So how we can do this? So let me open a new file. I will just connect with a sample superstore and we already have sales. Let me create a calculated field with it and I will call it 2020 sales. Here I will write a formula if year of order date equals 2020, then give me sales and I will sum it. Just apply and say OK and just duplicate the field, newly calculated field, and edit it and say change the name to 2019, remove this copy sign and here change the value to 2019, say apply. To prepare a similar set of design or the visualization, we need one more calculated field. We call it difference and here I will name it, I will using a formula called sign. This sign specifically, this function returns a value. If a value in a positive, it returns 1. If a value is in negative, it returns -1. If it is 0, then 0. So how it will work, let me show you. 2020 or sales 2020 minus sales 2019, bracket close, and that's all. I'll just change it to discrete. So while doing this, I'll let you know. And now let's build a visualization. We'll use the newly created calculation with the product subcategories. Let me go to the product subcategories and 2019 sale, 2020 sale, and I will move my major name. Well, first of all, let me change the visualization mark card to the line chart, and then I will move major name to the path, and one more time I will move my major values to the columns, and then major names I will move it to the size. This way it shows me a comet, but it's not showing any specific color. To see a lesser value where the value is less than the current year, what we'll do, we'll use a discrete value of the difference which recently I created, and I will move it to the color, and then I can choose the specific color. If -1, show me red. If 1, then show me green. It's up to you, totally your choice what color you want to use it. In our condition, if you see here, the values are overlapping. How to fix this label? Go to the labels and go to line end and do one more thing, just add a reference line. You see it's coming down and it's not on the same line. You see this, the values are data values are not on the same line. So what we'll do, we'll add a reference line, go to the distribution, and here I will say -10, and then I will choose minimum value, and I will remove this minimum -10, the heading which comes here for this distribution. I'll say none, I'll say OK. And similarly I will do one more thing. I don't want to see these columns, so I will go to the formats and go to the lines, format lines, and I'll say none. Even for the columns I'll say none. For the rows already none. So I think it's look better and clean. One more thing I will do, I will go to the tooltip and I will remove this difference. No need to show onto the tooltip as well. And here I will format the values. I'll make it little bit smaller. I'll give a black color, and now it's look much better and cleaner. I will set to the entire view. I will name the chart year-to-year sales comparison, and that's all. And we can add into our dashboard. I'll just move a bit bigger, or you can say to automatic size and just drag it here. When you zoom up it will show, and you can hide this card. Currently these cards are not needed, and wherever you want to arrange this chart, and even this label of subcategory not required, and you can format this, give a specific code color, let's say black and bold, right? So I think today's tutorial almost done, and if you have any comment regarding to the same topic, please write me in the comment section below. If you have any specific requirement, you can also mention in the comments, so I will make a similar tutorial for you. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.